How to answer. Grow with Google Scholarship Questions, Step-by-Step Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to answer the Grow with Google Scholarship questions while filling the form. So if you are applying, follow this carefully. First, don't rush your answers. This is not a test of English. It is a test of clarity and motivation. So just keep your answers simple, honest, and direct. Now let's go step by step. Question 1. Why do you want this scholarship? This is where most people make mistakes. Don't just say, I want to learn tech. That is too basic. Instead, connect it to your goal. For example, I want this scholarship to help me build practical digital skills so I can start a career in tech and improve my financial independence. Question 2. What is your experience in tech? If you are a beginner, don't panic. You are still qualified. Just be honest. You can say, I am currently a beginner in tech, but I have started learning the basics through online resources. I am very eager to improve my skills through this program. Question 3. What do you plan to do after this program? This one is very important. They want to see direction, so don't be vague. Say something like, after completing this program, I plan to apply my skills to real projects and look for entry-level or remote opportunities in the tech industry. Question 4. Why should you be selected? This is your final chance to convince them. Keep it simple and confident. For example, I am a dedicated learner who is serious about building a career in tech. I may be a beginner, but I am committed to completing the program and growing my skills. Final tip, very important. Don't overthink your answers, don't use big grammar, and don't copy others blindly. Just be clear, honest, and focused. That is what increases your chances of getting selected. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. This is Scholarship Ground.